Hey y'all, so this video is not a full tutorial because I completely forgot to record the beginning stages. But don't worry, if you need a detailed step-by-step, check out my video where I made a rhinestone cup designed by ChatGPT. I followed the same prep and stencil method for this one too, and yes, ChatGPT came through again. I had ChatGPT generate the phrase "good vibes only" in a graffiti style. Then I found this arrow graphic, pieced them together, and this is what the final design looked like. I'll drop the link to the file in the description box in case you wanted to try too. This cup was made for the In My Urban Era challenge, hosted in the DFR Creates Facebook group. If you're not familiar, DFR Creates is a private membership group by Diamond Fire Rhinestones. They host fun challenges with prizes, exclusive products, giveaways, and the best part, members get 15% off all purchases and first access to new drops. I'll leave the link to join below. After prepping my cut with Dixie Belle bonding balls, I used a stencil I cut out and filled in the design with Posca markers. I didn't have all the neon rhinestones I wanted at first, but I started with the words "good vibes only," using one of Diamond Fire's newest mixes, Kiwi Mocha Magic. And if you look closely, there are teeny tiny drips, details in the lettering, which I filled using neon white and SS3s. I planned out each section with a light and dark shade of every color to give it dimension. Like for the pink area, I used neon pink and neon hot pink. I'll list all the color pairings in the description for reference. I was so excited to get started that I began outlining the top and bottom rims, even though I didn't have all the stones yet. But shout out to Diamond Fire Rhinestones because my order came in 2 days, from Texas to Georgia. Honestly, they ship faster than Amazon. Once the rest of my stones arrived, I filled in all the black areas with neon black, then finished off the Good Vibes Only section using neon white and neon black in SS8s. It took time, but totally worth it. And here it is, the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more blinged out content. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.